Adenium plant requires lots of nutrients and minerals to produce beautiful flowers. Everyone grows adenium plant to get beautiful flowers, therefore in this video, I will show you an amazing fertilizer for your adenium plants. This is the best fertilizer for adenium plant that I have made, using only the organic ingredients. And it have all the essential nutrients that boost your adenium plant to produce more and more blooms. I have used different unusual items like cigarette residue, paper, and wood chips to make this, so must watch the entire video. The best fertilizer for adenium plant. Adenium plant is a heavy feeder that requires potassium to blooms properly. It requires calcium and magnesium also. Adenium plant have to produce multiple branches and leaves, therefore we also have to add nitrogen-enriched components. The roots of adenium plant also have to take some phosphorus for more strength. So in order to these requirements, the fertilizer must have variety of elements in it. So in the most important thing for keeping away the fungal issues, I am using cinnamon powder. There are so many diseases that is caused by the fungus, so it is very important to save our adenium plant from this. Cinnamon powder have antibiotic, antifungal properties, and it also works for healthy root system. You can add up to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in this. If you want to buy pure organic cinnamon powder, check out the description link. The next most important ingredient is mustard cake powder that works very efficiently. It is a magical fertilizer for adenium plant. Mustard cake powder have phosphorus, nitrogen, and potassium. These are the major elements that every plant needs, and it also have many trace elements in small amounts. Mustard cake powder is mainly used for more blooming and root strength. I have made 2 detailed videos on mustard cake that you must watch. I am adding their links in the description and I button. You have to add 2 tablespoons in this fertilizer. Mustard cake powder is very easily available in the local market, and you can also buy it from the description link. The next ingredient is the rich source of nitrogen and many other micronutrients, that is organic homemade compost. I am adding its 3 tablespoons in this fertilizer. Compost is very important for making the soil soft and porous. You can also make it at home using kitchen wastes. Video link is added in the description. The next ingredient is very much important because it have a large amount of organic potassium. Potassium is known by its ability to enhance flowering as well as the bright color of the bloom. It have antifungal effects and also keep the pests away from the plant. I am talking about the ash powder that is used by many farmers also. You can make ash powder from the cigarette residue and from the wooden pieces also. You can also buy it from the description link, but the self-made item is more convenient. Ash have a large amount of potassium and a small amount of calcium. Both of these helps the adenium plant to grow fastly. You can make ash by burning paper, or you can also use residue of cigarettes. It is little difficult to burn wood pieces in a little home, but must use ash powder. If you want to know more about its benefits, check out the video from the description or I button. I am adding 3 tablespoons of ash powder. The last component for making adenium plant fertilizer is tea waste. I have dried it in the sun. It have acidic effects that makes the soil a little acidic. Acidic soil is very much important for the flowering plants. Adenium as well as other flowering plants loves a little acidic soil. This thing helps the adenium plant to produce beautiful flowers. I am adding a 1 tablespoon of dried tea waste in this fertilizer. These 5 ingredients makes the soil perfectly ideal for the adenium plant that have all type of nutrients that it needs. Mix all of them properly. For adding this fertilizer in the soil of adenium plant, first you have to lose the upper layer of soil. You can use any type of tool, don't break or damage the roots. You can add up to 2 tablespoons of this fertilizer in the adenium plant's soil. Another important thing is to add this fertilizer in the evening time. At this time the roots have the whole night to absorb nutrients. And this fertilizer in the daytime can be harmful, because the fertilizer have nitrogen-enriched components that can burn the roots. So add this fertilizer in the evening time. It's time to add water into the soil. For quality results, must add frequent amount of water, and also make sure the soil is well draining. Otherwise it causes rotting of roots. You can also use my adenium soil mix that I have shown you in my last video. Link is added in the description, you can check that if you want. This fertilizer is very much effective and have beautiful results. It is an organic fertilizer, therefore it may takes a little bit of time, but results will be amazing. You can use this fertilizer on your adenium plants every month, but in the start, apply only on a single adenium and then apply on others, because it have lots of high potency ingredients. So be careful, don't add too much fertilizer. Follow the procedure of the video. Hope you find this video helpful. You can ask me any question in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.